Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Please kindly hit that subscribe button below if you're here to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get sculpt my brows. Like you can see right now, my brows look very scattered and overgrown. So if you'd like to see how I go about shaping my brows, then please keep on watching this video. So when you want to start shaping your brows, of course, you're going to be needing an eyebrow pencil. The reason why I like to use an eyebrow pencil is just to ensure that you kind of like place, like mark the area which you don't want to shave, like the part you don't want to touch. You want to just mark it out with the eyebrow pencil. Let me just show you guys how I go about doing that. So I'm just going to carefully start to map out this area right here. And I don't want to touch any of the hairs here. Over to this part right here. Right here, I'm not going to touch any of the hairs. I'm not going to touch any of the hairs within that area, but any hair that goes outside of it and underneath it is going off. So guys, I'm just going to be using a brand new Tiger razor blade. If you're in Nigeria, I'm quite sure you should know this razor blade, but then if you're not in Nigeria, any blade you could get, you could reach, it's absolutely fine. So next, what I want to do now is I'm going to start to brush those hairs downwards. Just going to brush those hairs downwards, as you can see. Then any hair that goes outside of that line I've drawn, I'm going to use the razor blade now just to shape it off. Just place my hands down here. But then you want to be very careful when you're doing this. I'm gonna go against the other side. I just took off the hair underneath the brows there. Then I'll do the same thing for my upper brows. I'm just brushing it up just to ensure that there are not stray hairs anywhere. So that's it for these brows. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. You want to ensure that you trace it at the bottom part on both sides and at the upper part too. Of both sides, so you don't have your brows on different levels. So any hair outside of this part now is also going to come off. So after I'm done like taking off the hairs, I'm just going to reach for a clean wipe and clean off brow products I used in like kind of like shaping my brows, and of course you get to see what is left. Yeah, so this is what my brows look like after I'm done shaping them. Yeah, finally my Wolverine hairs are gone. So if you did enjoy this video, if you found it helpful, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. And also, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button below. And also hit the post notification bell so you get notified when I post a video on my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah.